This Tram 200-watt UHF base antenna offers strong transmit and receive performance across the 400 MHz to 512 MHz land mobile band, making it a solid choice for serious radio users. Its fiberglass construction and stainless steel hardware give it the toughness to stay up and working through harsh weather and high winds without frequent maintenance. The antenna's gain and low standing wave ratio help pull in weaker signals and push out cleaner audio compared with many compact base antennas in this class. A hermetically sealed radiator and direct current grounded design help bleed off static and offer extra protection against lightning and electrical noise. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included mounting bracket, 3 stainless steel radials, and compatibility with a wide range of mast diameters. The standard UHF SO-239 connector makes it easy to integrate this antenna into existing station setups using common coaxial cable and accessories.